Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change our notification sounds in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this setting, how to change our notification sounds from default to another one. We need to go to settings, then sounds and vibration, and here we have notification sounds. By default it's a spaceline. Everyone know this one. We have a few other here, and let's say we want the alien one. We can also change volume of our notification here, and we simply back out. No need to save. As you can see now, our notification sound is changed to an alien one. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.